Hey everyone! If you're new to video editing or working with a low-end PC, like 4GB RAM or no graphics card, I've got great news for you. There's a completely free video editor that's not only lightweight, but also powerful enough to handle 4K exports, professional transitions, music, effects, the whole package. It's called MiniTool MovieMaker, and honestly, I think it's the easiest editor for beginners I've ever used. Let me walk you through exactly what it can do. Features breakdown. Right out of the box, MiniTool MovieMaker gives you 80+ filters to instantly make your footage pop, 100 free songs and 47 sound effects, 100 transitions, fade, slide, zoom, you name it, 60 stunning visual effects, 500+ animated elements like emojis, arrows, and subscribe buttons, 30 motion presets to give your video a cinematic feel, and 9 video templates. Just drop in your footage and it auto-styles everything for you. And guess what? You get all of that in the free version. No watermark, no trial limits, with just one small catch. I'll explain at the end. Importing and timeline. Let's start editing. I import a video by clicking on the Media tab, select the clip from my computer, and hit the plus button to drop it into the timeline. Here's what I see: a video track, an audio track, and a slide bar I can use to scrub through my timeline with ease. You can also layer multiple videos or sounds on top of each other, perfect for reaction videos or voiceovers. Basic editing tools. In the top right, I've got my video properties. Adjust color and brightness. Speed up or slow down clips. Reverse the footage for a cool rewind effect. Fade audio in and out, or tweak volume. Cut scenes with the scissors tool. Crop your video and lock it to 16:9 aspect ratio. Everything is just drag, drop, click, no learning curve. Transitions, effects, and filters. Want to make your video feel more dynamic? Just drag a transition like fade or zoom between scenes. Add effects like flame flow or cosmic speed lines. Stack multiple filters, for example, apply black and white on top of a motion effect. Drop in music and adjust exactly where it starts on your timeline. And yes, you can mute yourself in specific sections while keeping the background music playing.
Childhood. Laughing girl running through fields.
Text, stickers, and motion. Time to personalize. Add captions and titles, customize font, color, size, and background. Move text around, stretch or shrink it. Add stickers like animated subscribe buttons. Layer elements so they appear together, like text plus stickers plus effects. And with the Motion tab, you can even make your static shots feel alive, pan left, zoom in, tilt down, you name it. Export and pricing. Once your video is ready, hit export. You can choose between HD, Ultra HD, or full 4K resolution. You can also adjust the frame rate. And it shows you the estimated file size before exporting. Super handy. Now here's the deal. The first 3 videos you export are unlimited length. After that, free users can only export up to 2-minute videos. Want full access? You can upgrade for just $36 a year or $60 zone time for lifetime access. Students get up to 60% off too. Final thoughts. So whether you're just starting out or working with a budget setup, MiniTool MovieMaker gives you everything you need to create beautiful, high-quality videos without slowing down your computer or breaking the bank. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tools like this. Got a specific feature you'd like me to dive deeper into? Drop it in the comments. I've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.